You're watching News Channel 11 in your corner at 6.
In 1 week, full-time employees at colleges and universities in Tennessee will be able to carry a concealed weapon on campus. Good evening, I'm Ann Carter.
And I'm Sydney Cameron. The governing body of several of Tennessee's colleges and universities discussed and approved the policy today. This comes in response to a new law passed without Governor Bill Haslam's signature last month. Jordan Moore spoke with ETSU officials today to get a better idea of what the university is doing to inform people about the new policy.
Yeah, and Sydney, take a look at this website ETSU has launched here. It shows people where they can go to find out who can carry and even where. There's a map here showing where you can and can't take that concealed weapon on ETSU's campus, saying with just a week left before this law takes effect, it's important for people to understand these guidelines. July 1st, a date officials at East Tennessee State University have been preparing for months now. One that marks the start of a new gun policy on campuses across the volunteer state.
The law allows full-time faculty and staff who are holders of a carry permit to carry in certain locations on campus.
Dean of Students at ETSU, Jeff Howard, said in order to help people navigate what this new law means for their campus, they've launched this website showing people who is eligible to carry and where.
I can also not carry on the VA grounds. That's federal property. I can't carry in child care facilities, healthcare facilities.
Howard says one of the most frequently asked questions, will you know who's carrying?
Their names are confidential. It will be on file with public safety.
But Howard said if you do see a gun on campus,
you should not, in going about your normal duties, see a weapon. Call public safety, alert them immediately.
We did not favor the legislation, but we're committed to implementing the legislation.
Friday morning, the Tennessee Board of Regents adopted their own guidelines for firearms.
How do you legally do this? In other words, how do you register?
Both the Board of Regents and officials at ETSU reiterating that safety is their #1 priority.
The gun law is a state law, and as a state institution, we've implemented a policy to comply with the law. But first and foremost is campus safety in all of our minds.
Jordan Moore, News Channel 11 in your corner.
An ETSU spokesperson says if you see someone on campus with a gun, you should call police. Under the new law, if someone is carrying a gun, it must be concealed. Meanwhile,